Hello my lovely friends, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous Beauty channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you're super mwah, welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button and join this amazing family, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. On today's video, I'm going to show you a simple homemade remedy on how to remove stretch marks forever, guys. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. First of all, I have here with me onions. Onions is very good for any cut on the skin, be it wound, rapid stretching that drives the formation of stretch marks. Because onions contain flavonoids, a type of antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties, which are very effective in repairing damaged skin. Next I have here with me is aloe vera. While little clinical evidence exists for aloe vera and a stretch mark cure, pure aloe vera is both a natural healing agent and a skin softener. This makes it an ideal homemade remedy to try for stretch mark. Alright guys, so coconut oil has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties as well, so this will be a great addition to this mixture, guys. So you're going to make sure you mix all ingredients to form a very smooth paste. So you go ahead and apply this before bedtime, and I tell you that in a few days you should be able to see visible results. Alright beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video, hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video.